Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Andy and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make crochet hearts. Super easy, beginner friendly, and it only takes a couple of minutes to make. So if you're ready, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. For the hearts, we will need to have the following materials. I'm going to use a size 2 cotton yarn. This is the same yarn that you would use for amigurumi. I'm going to use a crochet hook size 2.5 millimeter. Also a yarn needle for stitching in the end, and the scissor. Starting by making a magic ring. The magic ring, I'm going to get the yarn and wrap it around my fingers. Going to pull that behind, get it to the front, just like this. Insert 2 of my fingers, turn it down, and we get this little yarn there. And pull it out. Then we can pull onto this yarn and make it shorter. Insert the crochet hook and then chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we need to do 3 double crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over, grab the yarn, pull over in 2, and then yarn over and pull over in the other 2. 2 more times, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull over in 2 and pull over in the other 2. One more time. Can make it a little bit smaller. I think it's easier to work in it when the magic ring is smaller. It's easier to hold on it. So yarn over, insert, and then pull over in 2 and pull over in the other 2. Okay, and now we're gonna do 3 times half double crochets. So yarn over, insert in the magic ring. Now we have the 3 and we yarn over and pull it over in all the 3. So now another 2 times, yarn over and pull over in all the 3. And last one, yarn over, pull over in all the 3. Perfect. Now we chain 1 and we are going to do a double crochet into the last one. So yarn over and pull over only in 2 and then pull over in the other 2. Okay, this is going to be the bottom part of the heart. So we need to chain 1 and we repeat in the opposite the same like we did now. So we are going to do now 3 times half double crochet. So we have the 3 up there and we are going to pull over in all the 3. And then one more time. And one more time. Okay, and then 3 times double crochet. Again, I'm going to make it slightly smaller, just got a little bit bigger, and then 3 times double crochet. So yarn over and pull over in 2 and then pull over in the other 2. 2 more times, sorry. Pull over in 2 and pull over in the last 2. And the last one, pull over in 2, yarn over and pull over in the last 2. Great. And now we're gonna do chain 2 and then slip stitch. So insert in the magic ring your needle, pull over the yarn and slip stitch. And then we are going to get the yarn, the one that is here loose, and we're going to pull on that. And our heart is ready. See, like you pull on that and this little hole is also disappearing. So this is our first heart. I'm going to show you. You need to cut off the yarn. Okay, we can insert it in the yarn needle and then we can make a couple of stitches. I'm just gonna make it here in the center. 1 to pull it down. So it's like nicely keeping it the shape. And then now that it's guided here in the back, I'm going to tie it, but don't be very harsh on it with it. So just tie it and just stitch it nicely around. So we need not have loose ends. Okay, first one is done. We can cut off this yarn. And we will need to do the same with the other yarn as well. So our first heart is ready. Actually, we can add, like, if you want, you can add it as a jewelry. I'm going to show you how is it. So once you're adding the hanger, this is how it would look like. Okay, if you want to make it bigger, I'm going to show you the steps as well. So make the shape of this one until the step before we were cutting off the yarn. Alright, so I just did the same heart like we did previously, and just have a look. I'm going to do 2 slip stitches. So if you have a look, this is my first chain that I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm inserting my crochet hook here. Okay, grab the yarn and slip stitch. Next stitch next to it, grab the yarn and slip stitch. Okay, next chain we're gonna do a single crochet, which is we insert, grab the yarn over and pull over in both 2. Now we're gonna do a half double crochet, insert it in the chain, and then yarn over, pull over in all the 3. Next chain, we're gonna do 2 times half double crochet, so yarn over, next chain, yarn over and pull over in all the 3. Same in the same stitch, one more time, half double crochet, yarn over, pull over in all the 3. Next stitch, half double crochet, and a single crochet, the same stitch. Okay, and then in the next 3 stitches we're gonna do a single crochet. So next stitch, single crochet, so this is the second one, and the third one. Okay, now we have here the bottom stitch, the last one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna chain first one, then we are going to do a double crochet, so yarn over and insert it in this last, the bottom stitch, pull over the yarn, yarn over, pull over in two stitch, yarn over and pull over the last two. And then we're gonna be again chaining one. Then we're gonna need to do, for the next 3 chains, single crochets. So first chain, single crochet, next one, single crochet, next one, single crochet, then single crochet and a half double crochet to the next stitch. So single crochet, and we need 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert it in the same stitch, yarn over, pull over in all the 3. Next stitch, we are gonna do 2 times half double crochet into the same stitch. So 1, 2, and then half double crochet, and a single crochet into the same stitch. Then we will need to do 2 times slip stitch, 1 and 2. Just like this. You can obviously pull on more in the center. If you want to close it more, I think it looks better if you close it more. Again, we are going to leave some yarn. So we pull out the excess yarn. Okay, now that we added the yarn needle, we're just gonna make some stitches. I'm going to actually guide this one towards the back and going to make my first stitches here. Towards the center, because we want the heart to, the top part is to nicely pull down towards the center. See, just like this. And in here, we're gonna be making, again, tying just the same way like we did with the smaller heart. These are the second one that is ready. I still want to show you one more, so just prepare till the first round, but don't cut off your yarn yet. And I'm going to show you a nice decorating way for the heart. So again, we are back at the first point where we did the first round of heart, okay? And now I'm going to show you a nice way of decorating your little heart. So the first one we need to do is to chain 1, and then we're gonna look for the first chain here, and we're gonna do a slip stitch, and then chain 1, and then next stitch, slip stitch, chain 1, 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 slip stitch. We're gonna carry on exactly like this, same way till the end of the row. We're gonna do the same also with the corners. So I'm going to write now here. Okay, we just arrived back to the initial point. We can leave a tail, and again we are going to sew it off. We need to have the yarn needle, and again with the other one, before you tie it off, just try to pull on as much as possible so you can close that little gap. So we just need to close this one down. I'm going to guide it towards the center, but I'm going to do it from the back because it can curl out easily, and it's still better if it goes towards the back. It's more aesthetic, you see. And then in here, once we did this, I'm just gonna guide it towards the center, going to pull it towards the center area, and I'm going to nicely stitch it off in the back. So we just did our little 3 hearts. I think it was an easy process to make them. I'm going to show you. I actually made 2 different types of earrings with them. With the small one and the big one, I attached them together and I added a little pearl in the middle, and they became like earring together. And also with this one, I attached 3 different colors together, and also I made an earring out of them. I think they're really, really easy, even if you want to do an earring individually or you want to do different kind of like decorational ideas. They are really, really easy to make. And I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video as well. Take care and see you soon.